Have you ever wondered if something as simple as a spoonful of oil could ease joint pain? Many people silently deal with stiffness and discomfort, thinking it's just a normal part of aging. But recent studies show that chronic inflammation is a major contributor to joint degeneration over time. In this video, you'll discover which natural oil can help reduce joint pain and restore flexibility. Picture this. You wake up in the morning, and even the smallest movements feel tight and sore. Then, someone tells you there's a natural option you can add to your routine in seconds. Living in pain doesn't have to be your everyday reality. It's possible to feel lighter and move easier. If you've been searching for something safe, simple, and effective, this could be the solution you need. Make sure you stay with me until the end, because your relief might be just one spoonful away. This could be the turning point that brings more comfort and freedom into your life. Number 4. One of the most overlooked natural aids for joint pain relief is avocado oil. Avocado oil contains monounsaturated fats and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the joints. Chronic inflammation is one of the main causes of pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility in aging adults. A spoonful a day can support the body's ability to maintain flexible and healthy joints over time. Imagine someone who used to struggle to open jars or get up from a chair with ease. After adding avocado oil to their meals, they notice smoother movements and less morning stiffness. It doesn't work overnight, but with regular use, many start to feel real relief within a few weeks. When ignored, joint pain can slowly limit daily activities and reduce your independence over the years. No one wants to rely on others for basic tasks or feel trapped in their own body. Have you been avoiding certain activities because of discomfort or fear of pain afterward? Sometimes we don't even realize how much we're adapting to the pain until it's gone. Avocado oil is also rich in vitamin E, which helps protect the cells from oxidative damage. This nutrient is especially helpful for preserving joint cartilage and promoting overall joint resilience. Its mild taste makes it easy to add to salads, smoothies, or even take by the spoonful. You don't need to make drastic changes. Small, consistent habits can bring noticeable improvement over time. If you've ever felt frustrated by slow mornings or aching knees, this might be the gentle solution. When pain fades, people feel more motivated to stay active and enjoy life more fully. It's not just about movement. It's about reclaiming confidence and comfort in your daily routine. Think about how good it would feel to move freely without that constant nagging ache. Could this be the simple change your joints have been waiting for all along? If this caught your attention, wait until you hear what the next oil can do for your body. Let's keep going, because the next one has a unique benefit that might surprise you. If this content is helping you in any way, show your support, subscribe to the channel, and leave a like. Number 3. If joint pain is wearing you down, sesame oil might be the relief you need. This oil is packed with anti-inflammatory compounds and healthy fats that support joint and bone health. Its natural antioxidants, like sesamin and vitamin E, help protect tissues and reduce oxidative stress inside joints. Sesame oil can also improve circulation, which helps deliver nutrients to inflamed or worn-down areas more efficiently. Picture someone massaging warm sesame oil onto their knees before bed and feeling noticeable comfort by morning. Or imagine adding just a spoon of it to your meals and slowly feeling your flexibility return. Over time, consistent use may help ease morning stiffness and make walking or bending less painful. Ignoring joint discomfort might seem harmless now, but it often leads to limited movement and daily struggles later. It's frustrating to watch your independence shrink because of something as constant and invisible as joint pain. Do you sometimes avoid stairs, kneeling, or even getting up from the couch due to stiffness? That hesitation might be your body telling you it's time to support your joints more intentionally. Using sesame oil internally or externally gives your body the tools to better manage joint strain. Plus, it contains minerals like copper and zinc, important for maintaining strong cartilage and connective tissue. These are essential for cushioning your joints and preventing that grinding feeling during movement. And the nutty, pleasant taste of sesame oil makes it easy to include in your cooking routine. You don't need to overhaul your diet. Just small shifts, like this, can bring steady improvements. With time, many people feel not only less pain, but more confidence in their movements again. Imagine how freeing it would feel to go through your day without constantly thinking about joint discomfort. Could something as simple as a spoonful a day really shift how your body feels and moves? If you found this interesting, the next oil might be an even better match for your routine. Let's move on and explore what makes it a standout for soothing aging joints naturally. While you're listening, go ahead and subscribe. It really helps our content reach more people. Number 2. If you've been feeling stiff or swollen, flaxseed oil may offer noticeable natural relief. This oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation throughout the body. When inflammation decreases, joint pain, stiffness, and general discomfort tend to ease over time with consistent use. Flaxseed oil also supports cartilage health, which cushions the joints and improves mobility in daily movements. Imagine taking a spoon of flaxseed oil with breakfast and gradually noticing fewer aches during your day. Or picture yourself walking longer, climbing stairs easier, and feeling less tension in your knees or hands. These changes may feel small at first, but they add up and support long-term joint flexibility. When joint care is ignored, even basic movements can become exhausting, frustrating, and deeply limiting. Nobody wants to lose their independence because bending or reaching becomes painful or unpredictable. Have you noticed morning stiffness, difficulty turning doorknobs, or pain when getting up from a chair? These signs may be your body's quiet request for support. Don't wait until it gets louder. The alpha-linolenic acid in flaxseed oil helps protect joints from ongoing wear and tear damage. This can be especially useful for people managing early signs of arthritis or general age-related joint wear. The oil is easy to include in smoothies, dressings, or simply taken by the spoon. Many people find that within weeks of daily use, they feel lighter and more mobile in their joints. It's not just about the joints either. This oil also helps support heart and brain function naturally. Flaxseed oil offers a double benefit: reducing inflammation and supplying the building blocks for joint repair. Think about how your life might feel with more energy and less pain during your daily routine. Could this be the natural support your joints have been waiting for all along? Stick with me, because the next oil is one of the most versatile and powerful options available. As you follow along, show us you're enjoying it. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Let's talk about coconut oil, a natural option that may ease joint pain and inflammation. Coconut oil contains medium-chain fatty acids that support lubrication inside the joints and help reduce stiffness. One key component is lauric acid, known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which benefit overall health. Daily use may gradually reduce that aching sensation in knees, fingers, or hips after simple movements. Imagine using a spoonful of coconut oil in your morning coffee or drizzled over cooked vegetables. Over time, you might notice it becomes easier to stand up, stretch, and move more freely. Joint pain can steal the joy from everyday moments, like walking, cooking, or gardening with loved ones. Ignoring those small aches may lead to decreased mobility and a growing sense of helplessness or frustration. When your body starts to resist movement, even light physical activity can feel like a heavy burden. Have you ever skipped something fun because you were afraid of how much it might hurt later? That fear slowly creates a life with fewer memories, fewer smiles, and more physical hesitation. Coconut oil offers more than just joint support. It also helps improve skin hydration and immune resilience. By reducing inflammation from the inside, this oil helps you feel more comfortable and confident in your body. It's easy to incorporate, whether cooking, baking, or taking a spoon straight, depending on your routine and taste. Many people report improved flexibility and less discomfort after adding this simple oil to their diet consistently. It's not a miracle, but for many, it's been a steady step toward regaining physical ease and confidence. Think about your mornings. What if you woke up feeling lighter, steadier, and more energized? Could a single spoonful a day shift how your body responds to aging? If this oil helped so many regain comfort, what might it do for you starting tomorrow? If you're finding these tips useful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Now you've seen how just one spoonful of natural oil can gently ease daily joint pain. These aren't magic cures, but powerful allies when used consistently and with intention in your routine. If your joints have been calling for help, maybe now is the time to truly listen. Small signals like morning stiffness or hesitating to bend down shouldn't be ignored or accepted as normal. Even simple changes can bring back the freedom to move, walk, stretch, and truly enjoy life again. It's never too late to support your body, especially when the steps are natural, easy, and effective. What if your next good day starts with a spoonful that helps you feel light again? If anything here made you reflect, share this video with someone who also deserves less pain. Leave a comment below telling me what you felt, or try this mantra: one spoon, one step. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay with us for more.